lapit ka muna.
Lapit ikaw dito. Hello guys. Sabi na, tingin ikaw camera oh. Hello guys. Check.
Hello guys. Ma-open kami nito guys.
Wow.
Sid to guys. Medyo masakit sa bulsa at sa loob. Pero
Wow.
her happiness. It's so good. After long wait. And the long wait is over. Wow. What's inside? Oh.
Wow.
Ganito ba yung magpapugto na?
Uy.
Oh! What's this? It's an instruction. Mama. Mami mo.
Daddy, open it.
What is this? What is this?
Open it.
Open it, guys. Open it. What is that? Wow. Eyeglass.
Eyeglass.
Barbie,
What's in
Barbie, may what?
this one muna. Open mo muna yan. Mamaya na yan.
Okay, open muna this. Open it all. I will open this. Put it here.
Salmon.
Open it. Like this. Yeah. Open. Open then. We continue this one. Continue this one. Then continue like this. Do it like that. Yeah. And then. Wow.
What's that?
Wow. Short.
Look at this.
Wow.
This one.
Which one? This one or this one?
This one.
This one. Wow. What did you take? This is a short. This is eyeglasses and what's this?
Ay, ano. Ito pala.
Look. Look. What is inside? Wow. Yan.
Sash.
I don't
This
know.
one.
Open it. Check.
Oh.
Uy, it's a shoes. Pair
Yeah.
of shoes.
Uy. Wow.
Ito din.
Wow. Damit.
It's shirt.
Ano, this is what's up? What's up?
So, wala tayong ano. Tubig.
Ito.
Nilalagyan ito ng tubig?
Huwag mo nang something. Lagyan mo natin.
Ay, nalaglog yan?
Hmm?
Try ko login yan.
Opo. Remove it.
Oh, may pasik pa.
Uy. Look.
Hey, may pasik pa. Oh, may pasik.
Wow.
Tanggalin din pasik.
Oo, ano natin. Mami. Mami, look. Mami, look. Wow.
Oh, bakit may kulay na siya?
Wow,
Ba't mo
ganda.
tinanggal yung buhok? May sapin yung buhok niya, wala.
Wala.
Ay, hindi na pala siya, no?
Kasi, daddy, tanggalin mo
Dali na.
pasik.
Dali na.
Saglit lang. Hindi ko magets. Ano, dapat kasi color reveal.
Ah, daddy, di na gabi. Open it natin. Aligoin
Ay, oo, may
ko.
color nga siya. So, yung babasain mo, yung buhok, hindi mo babasain yung buhok mo. Ito lang yung babasain.
Tapos anong nangyayari?
Mamaya nalalagyan pa yun ng tubig. Magdidissolve yung kulay niya. Magbabago yung kulay.
Ah,
Wait. Do like this? No, put this all inside. Wow.
wow.
And then,
Maliligo siya.
ito pa. Oh. This is it?
Wow. No.
No, wait. Where's the eyeglasses? Ito na yan. Look.
Meron sa
Look.
second.
Look.
Wow. Sinain natin. Wow.
Look. Wow.
Daddy.
Oh.
Naliligoin mo natin.
Akin na muna yung plastic.
Yeah!
Ito.
Hindi, babasain niya.
Ha? Saglit. Ito. Saan to?
Na hair.
Ito?
Hair. Dito hair tali niya. Hair siya. Oh.
Hmm?
Hair. Ito ko, ito.
Ito no. Tapos.
And then,
And then,
yung basahin yung hair niya. Ang ganda ng hair niya. Ito yung shoes. And then, ilulubog natin siya sa water
ah,
hanggang sa i-dissolve siya. Oh, look what it's changing.
ah.
Ah, what color is this?
Uy. Wow.
Wow.
Uy, green.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, dala.
Wow.
Dapat pa basahin yung mukha niya doon.
Oh,
Saya ng bata. Wow.
Yan na yan.
Ito na
Tas mo.
yun.
Uy.
It's color. So,
Wow.
it's black. Ba't na color reveal siya? Eh, kita naman na kulay black siya. Wait lang tayo. Baka bago ko yung tsura niya.
ah.
Hindi yung damit niya lang.
Damit niya lang pala yung ikaw makikita.
May kulay ka.
Ah.
Hindi siya pwede. Huwag kang hampunas. Kasi yung damit mo. Wait lang, wait. Wait, kaya matapon yung tubig. Hawakan mo yung baso dati. Hindi masyadong excited ang bata.
Okay na.
Wow, what color is this?
Oh, blue.
Wow.
Not blue. What color is this again?
Blue.
Green.
It's green.
Green. Ano, mami,
Uy, nagpasa.
Wala, unang basa. Uy, muna natin.
Yan na yan.
Kuyahin muna.
Ano yun? Pero magandang manika.
Dito ikaw.
Damit niya.
Suklay-suklay niya.
Uy, nagkisigsig din suklay. Huwag mo suklayin kaya masisira yung hair